If you've ever tried to build an AI app inside of Lovable, you know that it doesn't really work right. You can build regular apps with regular databases that do regular stuff, but if you want to add AI into your Lovable app, things kind of break down. But there's a way to get around that with a tool called Moment. They have something called Vibe Architect that basically designs a prompt that you can plug into Lovable that connects their AIs to your Lovable project. I created a project inside of Lovable. I created an AI called MaxBot inside of that project, and it's basically just a tool that will recommend the best no-code tools to the user. You input text right here. I called it problem, and when the user inputs a problem, the bot in this goal will output the best no-code tool to solve that user's problem. So it's got context, and I can also do something else that you can't do inside of Lovable, which is with this data right here, I created my own database of no-code tools that acts as context for the bot when it's answering people's questions. That database acts as context, like I said, but it's basically a giant list of like 500 tools that I've collected over the years that the bot now references when it's answering questions. If you wanted a database for your AI, you could ask Moment's AI Copilot to build one for you to keep it nice and smooth. And you can also do a couple of other cool things. You can connect APIs and other tools to your AI bot so that it can pull from other places on the internet, and you can structure the output more specifically to control how it functions more. Here is a quick example of how you could use that structured output. So up above, I said you will recommend no more than 3 tools, but if we wanted to make sure that it was really structured in a very specific way, you could do something like this. So tool 1 name, tool 2 recommendation reason, tool 2 name, tool 2 recommendation reason. It's structured as a response in a series of strings, and that makes sure you get the kind of output that you really want. So I like how it looks now. I'm going to go to my MaxBot. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go to the Vibe Architect I mentioned before, and I'm going to paste the agent blueprint right here. I'm going to click convert, and it's going to generate a Lovable prompt. Boom, the prompt is generated. I am just going to continue in Lovable. It's going to port me over to Lovable automatically, and I'm going to paste the prompt that it created in and start the project. And voila, I have my AI assistant created. It's live, it's connected to the AI. I'm gonna ask it an example question so you can see that it's working. Organize data in a more structured way than Google Sheets. What tool would you use? It's gonna output information in the structured output format that we gave it in 1, 2, 3. It gives you the name and the reason. It recommended Airtable, Notion, and Pori. I would have recommended those. We just built an AI app using Lovable and Moment. Go check it out.